been a long wait, but the Coromandel Rugby League season is finally here. And no surprise that Betty May, the non-stop Betty May, is at the centre of the scrum.
Her heart is enormous. She'll just give. Give. Nothing is ever a problem.
Night and day working away, and she's just a massive staff involved in everything, just everything to do with our children.
Betty May is a very kind, caring person in our community. She's very supportive to the sport.
She loves to see everybody together, everyone happy. She sees a need for something and she will fill it. She's always got a smile on her face. She's just happy helping, doing it.
She really likes the Tairua Taniwha.
It's not just rugby league either. She's there taking the te reo lessons, she takes waiata lessons, she's coming into school teaching the kids poi.
Betty May's heart pumps for Tairua, and Tairua would be lost without her.
Where does she find the time?
I don't know. Don't know. How she runs a business, her family, her daughter, her husband.
So you quite like her?
I like her a lot, so yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Any town would be lucky to have Betty May.
She's everywhere.
Oh wow! Hello! What's this?
I don't think I've ever met a Betty May.
No, I think I am the only one.
But I am told absolutely that you are one out of the box.
No, I think, yeah.
Now tell me exactly what we've barged in on.
Yeah, well this is actually our pre-season event for Tairua Rugby League. So we're here today to celebrate our amazing tamariki, our whānau. We're growing and growing.
Well, Betty May, I know that every person here and so many residents of Tairua greatly admire you for your huge community spirit.
No, thank you. No, I love our community.
And particularly the hard work that you've put in
Yeah.
to make rugby league bigger and brighter for the local tamariki.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
I'm Michael from 7 Sharp.
Yeah, I know who you are. I've seen you.
And if I said ASB good as gold,
Yes, yeah.
what would you say?
Oh.
Well, Betty May, I am thrilled to tell you, you are our latest ASB good as gold recipient
Way. Oh my goodness.
for all that you do for the young people of this beautiful little seaside town.
Yes, yeah. Oh no, thank you so much. Just seeing the happiness on our kids' faces. That's what it's all about in the end of the day. Them getting out there and giving it a go, and we're not going to stop them from doing that.
To salute you, the ASB is sending you $10,000.
Wow. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's so cool. No, thank you. We'll put that back into our rugby league, yeah. Keep growing, and our sports in general, for keep them growing.
I knew you'd say that.
Yeah.
But just maybe there might be some for you and the family to have some time away on one condition, that it's not during the rugby league season.
Okay. No, I got to be there.
May the action on the field match your stellar action off the field.
Oh, thank you.
Well done, you.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you. Oh, awesome. I thought, hey, we're running our rugby league event. Don't get involved.
Gate crashes not allowed.
No.
Happy?
So happy, very, very happy. Words can't explain how happy I am. It's community, it's kids. I've always been involved with community sports from a very young age, and I just love that feeling you get when everyone's coming together, enjoying the things that they love.
What is it about rugby league?
I have always loved rugby league, and I think it comes from family. You know, my mum was a huge league lover, and often she'll drag me along to the Warriors games. Our club mascot, the Tairua Taniwha, but you know, sometimes we're called the Taniwhas because of the uproar of the Warriors up the Wahs, and so we like to say up the Taniwhas.
Just don't make too big a habit.
No, absolutely not. We're still the Taniwha, yeah. There is so much more to do. We're just getting started.
Truly?
Yeah.
You're not not going to run out of energy.
No, definitely not. It's coffee, right?
Up the
Taniwas.
Up the Tairua!
If you know a deserving New Zealander, nominate them at asbgoodasgold.co.nz.